Hi, my name is Setul Patel. Today I prepared this project. This project name is any machinery control servo motor through potentiometer. In this project, I utilize Arduino Uno and coding and programming done. Here I operate potentiometer. Now I rotate the potentiometer and rotate the servo motor. This project is utilized in industry's purpose. Thank you for the watching this video. Thank you.